Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem Google Play gift card on Android phone or tablet device. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, if this is your first time on Google Play, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, Google Play gift cards allow you to buy apps, games, and in-app purchases directly from the Google Store. And of course, it is particularly useful if you want to access premium features or remove ads from your favorite apps and games. Of course, you can use the gift card balance to purchase or rent movies, buy music albums, and download ebooks or audiobooks from Google Play's extensive library. As you can see, it is the perfect gift for any moment wherein you can explore and display, no fees, no worries, and pay ahead. These are the platforms that you can buy online and in-store, alright? In Amazon, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, giftcards.com, PayPal, Kroger, GameStop. In terms of the in-store, you have, again, Walmart, Walgreens, Dollar General, CVS Pharmacy, 7-Eleven, Target, Family Dollar, and Kroger. Now, if we go to the online wherein I'm gonna click on Amazon, as you can see, the thing is, all you have to do is you need to choose the gift card design from the standard Google Play. You also have the option for the happy birthday, happy holidays, happy Easter. You did it, and you're going to click on the more designs. You have like you rock, thank you, congrats, happy Father's Day, and all of it. It's up to you, all right? Then the next thing is you need to, of course, choose the amount that you want. For example, it's like 50, 75, 100, and 150. You can select an amount between $15 to $200. For example, I'm going to choose 20. Of course, you can send an email or text message to the recipient. If you're sending it to yourself, all you have to do is put in the name of your self here. All right. And of course, you can put in some message. And from here, you can choose the quantity and the delivery date. And once you've done that, the next option that you can do is to open your Google Play Store app on your mobile device, be it on your Android or your tablet. Now, make sure you are on the right Google Play Store account. If you hover to the upper right corner, you'll see your profile picture. After that, click on it. Now, once you are here, I need you to click on the payments and subscriptions. And of course, from here, all I have to do is click on the redeem code and enter the code that you wanted and click on the scan gift card, and that's it. That's going to be the way for you to be able to use the Google Play gift card on an Android phone or your tablet device. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.